Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Afnan and today we will be discussing about how to ace in the listening section. So here we will be discussing about the introduction of the IELTS exam and how much you score and what bends will that make. What are the general tips for the IELTS listening test and to summarize it overall. So just to get the general idea, listening test is first of all the written test and the written test can be scheduled before or after the speaking session. There is only one listening test for both the candidates for the academic and the general students, and scoring in the listening section requires concentration and some basic techniques that can easily lead you to score 8, 8.5 or even 9 bands. Then it also requires you practice daily and also how you perform and how you hold your nerves on the exam day. So the listening test is of about 40 minutes. You get 30 minutes to solve your questions and 10 minutes to copy your answers from the question paper. There are total 40 questions and 4 sections. For each section there are 10 questions. The difficulty increases as you gradually move on to the next sections. One best tip is to understand that you can write all the answers in the capital form or in the lowercase. My suggestion is to go for the capital form, like writing hostel, cat, coffee, house or any of the answers in the capital form. Write all the answers on the question sheet if it's a written test. However, if it's a computer-based test, you won't be given time in the end. You will just get 2 minutes just to cross-check your answers. However, if it's a written test, you will be given 10 minutes in the end to copy your answers from the question paper. The best tip is that you copy your answers from the answer sheet very carefully. Check them thoroughly once you have written it because 10 minutes of time it's an ample amount of time to cross-check your answers. Be very careful about the spellings you write because wrong spellings means the wrong answer. Only write the answers in the capital form that you hear. Don't place any brackets within the answer or make a slash and write another answer. That would be considered as a wrong answer. So here are the band scores. If you score somewhere around 30 to 31, you get a band score of 7. If you score somewhere around 35 to 36, your score is 8 band. And it goes further from 8.5 to 9 as you score more marks. So this is the end of the part 1 of the listening tips and tricks. I'll be making another video very soon. So stay put and subscribe my channel. Thank you.